Over the last few weeks, I have been concentrating on catching grasshoppers because I have an infestation of grasshoppers that I really neglected watching for other insects. So let me show you what's going on in my garden. Came out early this morning and I set up this bug zapper that will kill the moths and gnats, especially that little cabbage moth, because I saw a lot of leaf damage in my raised garden bed and I want to take care of that. But let me show you what's going on. When I raised the insect netting off of my large garden bed, guys, my first instinct was to just quit, but that was just temporary. I love gardening and I can't quit. Guys, I'm sitting outside. It's currently 71 degrees and I'm gonna upload this video today. Well, I just want you to know that I am so angry with myself because I allowed my garden bed to get infested with cabbage worms on my brassicas, and I'm usually on top of it. I thought if I put diatomaceous earth on them and then rinsed it off before the bees came out, that I would have killed what was in the bed, but obviously I didn't, and I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to show you the infestation. I'm not on camera because I'm in my pajamas and robes, and you don't want to see me like that. It ain't pretty. And I had made up my neem oil, cold pressed pure neem oil, and my safer soap, and you can see they're moving to the top, but I couldn't spray it when it was above 84 degrees because it'll burn the leaves. Now, even though it's going to be 92 degrees today, I had to take charge because when I looked at my garden bed, it looked so bad that I said, I'm going to spray it real good. I'm going to kill these cabbage worms, and then I'll rinse the leaves off real good on both sides. When it warms up to about 80, I'll come back out and do that. But I just want you to know that if it can happen to me, it can happen to you, especially if you're working and you're tired when you come home and you can't check everything like you normally would every day. I had a few days I was under the weather, and that's when it just really took off. But anyway, let's get started. Let me show you these doggone cabbage worms. Now, I put up a 1-minute video this morning to show you how I'm going to stop the moth that lays the egg on the brassicas that turn into worms. But now I'm going to show you, if you have a show enough infestation, what you can do. Do you see that little poop right there? And you can see some right here. That lets me know, and I keep looking up under the leaves. I don't see any cabbage worms. But look and behold, look what I just caught. This is what's been eating up my brassicas. So this worm is in here, and I'm going to look for some more, because when you see one, you might as well look for more. And I'm going to spray really good with my neem oil spray and my safer soap. It's organic. And I'm going to kill these today that were already in the bed when I covered them up. Here is the second worm. I mean, they've been feasting off of my food. I've never had damage this bad. I'm going to take this whole cover off and I'm killing all of them. I'm going one by one to every plant to inspect it. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. And smash this one on the ground. It is going to worm heaven. Here's the third one. It fell off of this plant that I was spraying. Yep, now I'm going to keep looking, guys. I think I've got more. Ugh, I hate these things. Found 2 more. Look for the poop. Look for the poop, and close by it, you will see the worms. Okie dokie, I got another one. I'm going to go over this like a fine-tooth comb. And it's dying probably because of the spray. Nope, it's still trying to move. I got you. Here's another one, and I just want to show you how small they are, or can be. They don't even be 1/3 of this size, and they have been getting fat on my brassicas. But I'm taking care of this today. Okay, I found another one. It's still alive, but it's sick from that neem oil and that safer soap insect killing spray. Oh my God, this is getting pathetic. I don't know how many. I lost count. I have to go back and watch the footage to see how many that I've just killed. I feel so bad. It was so hot when I put these brassicas in here that I couldn't spray any neem oil spray or anything that had oil in it because, you know, it would burn up my plants. But what I probably should have done is put a shade cloth over them to lower the temperature and put the fans back on them, those solar power fans. Yeah, my bad that I can still make mistakes. Nobody's perfect, but I'm gonna make up for it today. I'm getting all of these cabbage worms out of here. Incredible. Here is another one. Something told me to come out here this early this morning. Check that out. That spray will kill them, but it was just too hot to put it on previously. There's another one trying to escape, but it's sick. When they curl back up in there, guys, like that, that's their defense. It's sick. The spray, all the spray I put over here has killed it, really. It's dying slowly. Every time I think I've got them all, I find another one. Twins, can you believe it? One here and one here, and they are slowly dying. So if you've ever wondered if that spray that I tell you guys about all the time, the neem oil, pure cold pressed neem oil, and either some dish soap or Castile soap or the safer insect soap from Amazon, it will work. But I feel bad that I didn't do this earlier and protected them another way, but that's okay. I have a little setback, but I'm gonna bounce back from it. Okay, look right here. Here's another one on the marigold. Look at there. That's another 3. I said 2, but I didn't see that one over there. So I'm going through here real good, guys. And, oh, here's another one. Oh my God. Wow. Just goes to show you, you have to be diligent. I got a little too comfortable. Here's another one. Wow. Well, I said 2, then it was 3, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they are sick. They are sick. But I'm gonna spray them again and remove them out of here. My goodness. I'm so mad at myself. 71 degrees, but the high is today is gonna be 92 degrees. So I'm gonna have to come out here and cover this up in a couple hours. Look right here, guys. Look real close. That's how they start off. Real small, and then they feed on your plants. So I made a mistake, but I'm not one of those gardeners that can't admit to making a mistake. And I'm gonna keep spraying for consecutive days early in the morning until I get them all. And I'm gonna do the same thing with that other bed. And I filmed this in this setting, but I'm gonna put it as a regular video because I'm sure that it's gonna be more than 3 minutes. And I can hear my zapper in the background still zapping up the little cabbage moths. Those little white little moths is how they start off. And they lay eggs, and then those eggs turn into little worms. And another reason why I love to grow by seeds, because I'm always starting seeds. Every day of the year, I'm starting seeds, either hydroponically or inside or outside. So I've got plenty of seedlings I can pop in here. The little seedling starts that you get from the store, man, they so small and they cost so much now, it's just not worth it. So this is probably going to end up being like a 5-minute video, but I'm going to show it to you in this vertical form because that's how I shot it. Initially, I wanted to just do a 3-minute video. If I repeat myself, I'm old and I get a pass. Okay, I think I've done enough in this bed today, and I'm going to go over to the other bed and do the same thing. Guys, be very careful. Check your borders. Look right there. That's a cabbage worm. Another one and another one. Let me pick them up. They're sick. See it? They're sick. They're sick from the neem spray. So check your borders. Check all around the edges. I mean, this thing was infested. So I'm going all the way around these edges, and I'm going to check real good. I'll come back and show you if I find any more. There's another one right there over here on that edge. I'm going to go behind. Oh, my goodness. Here's another one. Oh, my God. I haven't had anything like this happen to me in decades because I'm usually on top of it. I guess I'm getting a little too slow at 71. I'm not thinking like I normally would. Oh, Lord. That's my confession. I found one more behind that guardian angel statue that represents my mother. I want you to know that even though I'm humiliated, I'm sharing this with you so it doesn't happen to you. And if you live in a cool climate, you could spray your neem oil now because your temperatures are lower than 85 degrees and it won't burn your plants. But don't be embarrassed to show your gardening mistakes. Nobody's perfect, as I said probably 2 times already. I'm just mad at myself. But I got all up under here and I sprayed really, really well. And I think I got it under control. But I am going to have to come back out here like I previously said. I thought that was something, but it wasn't. And rinse all of this down from these leaves so they won't get scorched. And I used this bottle. I'm going to get another one and do the other garden bed because I see evidence. Thank goodness this bed is not that bad yet. So I'm going to spray it down and kill the little worms before they get too big. The plants are growing beautifully. And then I'll let you guys see it in a few days. Thanks for watching. You know I love you and God loves you too. Bye.